National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clay County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Edgewood, or 15 miles northwest of Flora, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bible Grove around 8:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Louisville. This includes Interstate 57 near mile marker 142. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.